And these are just some of the ways that AI is changing the game for creators like you and me. And if you don't start using AI in your YouTube channel right now, you will get left behind. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that AI is transforming YouTube right now. And then I'm going to share with you 3 additional trending topics that you can cover in your niche, so that you stay ahead of the curve and you don't get left behind. Let's start with the obvious. Number 1, AI script generators. So first off, nobody watches long-form videos anymore. TikTok has ruined our attention spans. We are all looking for quick hits of dopamine. This means that the days of writing out your own scripts are over. It's no longer efficient or effective to sit down and type out 1,000 or 2,000 word script because nobody's going to watch it. Instead, what you need to do is use an AI script generator to write out bite-sized chunks of content that keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. I use an AI script generator every single day to help me come up with catchy titles and hooks and engaging points that keep my audience watching my videos until the very end. AI script generators are an absolute game changer. When it comes to writing content on YouTube, they allow you to produce videos faster than ever before. And we all know that time is money. It used to take me hours to write a script for one of my videos, but now I can generate multiple scripts in just a few minutes. Not only that, but these AI script generators can help you come up with creative ideas that you may have never thought of on your own. For example, you could ask them to come up with a list of 10 video ideas for your channel, and then you can choose which one you want to develop further. The best part about using AI script generators is that they're constantly improving and evolving. As the technology advances, so too does the quality of the scripts that they're able to produce. So if you're not using AI script generators yet, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to save time and create better content. Now, number 2, text-to-speech. So once upon a time, having a good voiceover was a luxury reserved for big-budget productions. But nowadays, anyone can sound like a professional narrator with the help of AI text-to-speech. In fact, most of the popular channels on YouTube today use AI text-to-speech in their videos. And why wouldn't they? It's easy to use, it's affordable, and it sounds great. Gone were the days of having to hire a voice actor, or even worse, using your own voice for your voiceovers. With AI text-to-speech, you can generate natural-sounding voiceovers in seconds. And the best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Simply input your script into a text-to-speech generator and then choose from a variety of voices and accents. This way you can easily create high-quality voiceovers for your YouTube videos without spending a fortune or even having to leave your home. Number 3, AI thumbnail generation. Creating thumbnails for your videos used to be a daunting task, but not anymore. There are now many AI tools available that can generate thumbnails for your videos in seconds. These tools typically work by analyzing the content of your video and then generating a thumbnail that is relevant and eye-catching. You simply upload your video to the AI tool and then choose from one of the generated thumbnails. These tools can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to creating thumbnails for your videos. Plus, they can help you experiment with different thumbnail designs without having to start from scratch each time. If you're looking to streamline your thumbnail creation process, then AI thumbnail generation is definitely worth checking out. Just make sure to use them responsibly and ethically, so you do and end up creating misleading or low-quality thumbnails. Thumbnails are one of the most important elements of a successful YouTube video. They're often the first impression that viewers will have of your channel and content. And if your thumbnails aren't catching and relevant, viewers are likely to scroll right by your video. That's where AI thumbnail generation can help. Using an AI tool to generate thumbnails for your videos, you can ensure that your content stands out in the crowded YouTube feed. These tools can analyze the content of your video and generate a thumbnail that is both relevant and visually appealing. In addition to saving you time and effort, AI thumbnail generation can also help you test out different thumbnail designs and concepts without having to start from scratch. You can experiment with different colors, fonts, and images to see what works best for your channel and audience. Overall, AI thumbnail generation is a valuable tool for any YouTuber looking to improve the quality and effectiveness of their thumbnails. Number 4, data-driven video topic ideas. Coming up with video topic ideas can be a challenging task. But luckily, there are now several AI tools available that can help you come up with relevant and trending topics in your niche. These tools typically analyze data from various sources such as search engines, social media, and video platforms to identify topics that are currently popular and relevant to your target audience. Once you have identified these topics, you can start creating videos that cater to those interests. This can be a great way to increase views and engagement on your videos, while also building a stronger connection with your audience. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and keep your content fresh and engaging, then data-driven video topic ideas may be just what you need. There are 3 additional trending topics that you can cover right now in your niche. These are guaranteed to be popular with your audience and will help you grow your channel faster. So what are those 3 topics, you ask? Well, let me tell you. The first is the ultimate guide to ranking on YouTube search. More and more people are turning to YouTube as a search engine, which means that optimizing your videos for search is more important than ever. If you want to tap into this trend, you can create a video that covers everything from keyword research to on-page optimization to link building. In this video, you can share tips and tricks that will help other creators rank higher in search results and drive more traffic to their videos. Remember, the higher you rank, the more views you'll get. So make sure to include actionable advice that other creators can implement immediately. The next trending topic is the ultimate guide to repurposing your content across platforms. The rise of short-form content, there's more opportunity than ever to repurpose your content across multiple platforms. You can create a video that covers the best practices for repurposing content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. In this video, you can share tips on how to optimize your content for each platform, as well as how to track your results and measure success. Make sure to include examples of creators who have successfully repurposed their content across platforms and include actionable steps that other creators can follow. The third trending topic is the ultimate guide to building a loyal audience fast. Building a loyal audience is essential to the long-term success of a YouTube channel. You can create a video that covers the best practices for building an engaged and loyal audience. In this video, you can share tips on how to create content that resonates with your target audience, how to interact with your viewers, and how to foster a sense of community among your fans. Make sure to include examples of channels that have successfully built a loyal audience and share actionable steps that other creators can take to achieve similar results. Don't forget to keep your videos concise and to the point. Include calls to action and use end screens to promote other relevant videos. With these 3 trending topics, you're sure to create videos that are informative, helpful, and engaging to your target audience. So give them a try and watch your channel grow. That being said, if you're still watching this video, then I have a special treat for you. Here are 3 additional trending topics that you can cover in your niche. The ultimate guide to faceless branding. So faceless branding is a new marketing trend that allows creators to build their brand and connect with their audience without showing their face on camera. You can create a video that covers the benefits of faceless branding and how to get started with it. In this video, you can share tips on how to create a strong brand identity, how to build trust with your audience, and how to grow your channel without showing your face. The ultimate guide to YouTube success with zero budget. With the rise of YouTube as a marketing channel, more and more businesses are looking to get started with zero budget. You can create a video that covers everything from creating a channel to producing videos to growing an audience. In this video, you can share tips on how to create high-quality videos with a limited budget, how to promote your videos, and how to track your results. And finally, the ultimate guide to making money on YouTube. Making money on YouTube can be a lucrative opportunity, but it's not without its challenges. You can create a video that covers the best practices for monetizing your channel, including setting up ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. In this video, you can share tips on how to grow your channel, how to create monetizable content, and how to maximize your earnings. These topics are sure to resonate with your target audience and help you grow your channel. So give them a try and watch your views and subscribers grow. And that's it. Thanks for watching.